You may think your blood sugar is fine. You may think it only matters for people with diabetes. You may think one sugary snack or one fried meal won't make a difference. But here's the truth. Most people destroy their blood sugar every day without realizing it. They make tiny mistakes, mistakes that increase cravings, mistakes that drain energy, mistakes that age the body faster, mistakes that damage the liver, the pancreas, the heart, mistakes that silently increase health risks over years. And the scary part? These mistakes feel normal. They feel like everyday habits. They feel harmless. Today, I'm breaking down the biggest blood sugar mistakes you must stop and how to fix them for more energy, clearer thinking, better digestion, and a healthier future. Let's begin. Mistake number 1, starting your day with sugar. This is the worst blood sugar mistake, and 90% of people do it every morning. Breakfast foods like sugary cereals, donuts, pancakes, white bread, flavored yogurt, instant oatmeal, fruit juices. They look normal, but the moment you eat them, your blood sugar spikes like a rocket. Your body releases a flood of insulin to bring the sugar down. That's when the crash happens. Low energy, hunger, irritability, cravings, brain fog. And guess what? You start eating more throughout the day. Fix it. Start with protein plus fiber. Eggs, Greek yogurt, oats, chia pudding, whole grain toast, avocado, nuts. A stable morning equals stable blood sugar all day. Mistake number 2, drinking sugar in liquid form. Liquid sugar is absorbed faster than any other form of sugar. Which drinks cause the biggest spikes? Soda, fruit juices, sweetened tea, energy drinks, coffee loaded with cream and syrup, bubble tea. These cause the fastest blood sugar rise and the biggest crashes. Fix it. Choose water, lemon water, sparkling water, unsweetened tea, black coffee, or coffee with minimal sugar. Your blood sugar will thank you. Mistake number 3, eating carbs without protein. Carbs are not the enemy. Your timing and pairing are. Most people eat carbs alone: bread, pasta, rice, noodles, potatoes, snacks. When carbs enter your body alone, your blood sugar spikes fast. Fix it. Always pair carbs with protein, eggs, yogurt, chicken, beans, fiber, vegetables, salads, healthy fats, avocado, nuts, olive oil. This slows the sugar release, keeping you full longer and stabilizing insulin. Mistake number 4, eating too fast. This seems harmless, but it destroys your blood sugar control. Eating too quickly causes overeating, higher insulin spikes, slower digestion, bloating. Your body doesn't have time to signal that it's full. Fix it. Slow down. Chew more. Take breaks. Put your fork down between bites. Your blood sugar stays stable when your brain and stomach communicate. Mistake number 5, not moving after meals. This one is huge. If you sit or lie down immediately after eating, your blood sugar rises faster. Your muscles aren't using glucose, so the sugar stays in your bloodstream. Fix it. Walk for 10 minutes after eating. A simple walk lowers blood sugar, improves digestion, reduces cravings, boosts metabolism. No gym needed, just move. Mistake number 6, skipping meals. Many people skip meals thinking it will help them lose weight. But skipping meals often leads to overeating later, sugar cravings, stress hormone spikes, unstable blood sugar, low energy. When you skip meals, your body goes into survival mode, making your blood sugar harder to control. Fix it. Eat balanced meals with protein, fiber, veggies, healthy fats. You don't need to eat constantly, just don't starve yourself. Mistake number 7, overeating refined foods. White foods, white bread, white pasta, white rice, pastries, crackers, instant noodles. These are processed carbs that digest fast and spike blood sugar hard. Fix it. Swap for whole, slow-digesting foods like brown rice, oats, quinoa, lentils, whole grain bread, sweet potatoes. Your blood sugar stays stable and your cravings drop. Mistake number 8, not getting enough sleep. Poor sleep wrecks your insulin sensitivity. After one night of bad sleep, your hunger increases, cravings go up, stress hormones rise, your body handles sugar poorly. Fix it. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Your metabolism depends on it. Mistake number 9, stress and overrunning your hormones. Stress raises cortisol, and cortisol raises blood sugar. This leads to cravings, emotional eating, abdominal fat, fatigue. Fix it. Practice walking, reading, breathing exercises, warm showers, nature time. Stress less means stabilize blood sugar. Mistake number 10, ignoring fiber. Fiber is your secret weapon. It slows sugar absorption, feeds good gut bacteria, keeps you full, lowers cravings, supports digestion. Most people eat half the fiber they need. Fix it. Eat fiber-rich foods like vegetables, berries, chia seeds, beans, oats, whole fruits. Fiber equals smoother blood sugar. Final message. Your blood sugar controls more than you think. Your energy, your hunger, your mood, your weight, your sleep, your cravings, your aging process. But today, you learned the truth. It's not about dieting. It's not about starvation. It's not about perfection. It's about avoiding the everyday mistakes that damage your blood sugar so your body can finally work the way it's supposed to. Small changes become big results. Start correcting these mistakes today, and your future self will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps more people and take control of their health. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next video.